my name is Elaine and I'm a rising sophomore at based in Silicon Valley. And then for my starter project, I did the MiniPOV by Adafruit, and this is a demo of it. So yeah. So a POV is a persistence of vision, which is when your brain tricks you to see one image when multiple images are projected in front of you. So this is an example, and inside the POV we have two main components. One is the microcontroller, which basically saves the image and also the instructions of and the frequencies of like when the lights should turn on to form the image. And we have the 8 LED lights which actually turn on and project the image in front of you. And then when doing this project, I learned a lot about soldering because I had to solder all the individual parts onto the PCB board, and I also learned about each component of the circuit and like what it does and how it functions. And then when doing this project, I accidentally soldered the LED light backwards for one of them, which like would not have worked since like the LED has a specific orientation. So as a result, I had to desolder it. So I also got to experience desoldering. And then from this experience, I learned that like when reading instructions, I have to be especially careful of like directions and orientation and try to solder it right the first time, since desoldering is a very long and difficult process. So yeah, and now I'm going to be moving on to my main project, which is going to be like a safe.